You learn how to brush your teeth, son?
Brush.
So you gotta
Put it in your mouth. You gotta get the toothpaste out.
spit.
Spit it out.
Sonny, don't dig in the toilet. Just sit on it. Sonny. Just sit. Hey guys, welcome before to bed. So guys, I'm gonna do a little day in my life. Y'all know I never do those. I always do weekend or weekly vlogs. But today I'm gonna do a little day in my life type shit. The only thing I gotta do today is go to my cousin's graduation. So that's basically what this video gonna be about, unless we do something else. But probably not, because it's raining outside. Like, for real. But I already got my outfit and stuff out. My cousin graduation starts at 2:30, but we're gonna leave before 2 because we already know how to Coliseum and shit. We already know. So it's hold on, let me make it. I gotta roll me some blunts up though, because I got to smoke before we go there. My baby at daycare, she gonna be at daycare while we get to graduation because she gonna act bad. It's already hot and everything. So no. It's 9:23. We gonna leave before 2. I probably start getting ready around 11 something. Because I gotta change my jewelry out because I'm doing silver jewelry. And I still got this gold jewelry in my ear. I gotta switch that out. I gotta get in the shower. I have to do my hair. Everything, y'all. But the first thing I'm gonna do is roll me like 2 blunts. Because I done got the mini Brillos. So yeah, But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to let y'all know. This just smells so good, y'all. Y'all need to smell it. Smell it. Okay, so right now, y'all, I'm about to change all my jewelry because my outfit is like color coordinated. What the fuck? Color coordinated to the T. Like, I tried to make sure everything is matched up good. So we finna start changing my jewelry. I'm gonna put this necklace on. We're gonna switch the earrings first before we switch the gauges. This shit gonna hurt, y'all. We switching to the silver pearls. I got some gold pearls too. And we switch to this. The little hoop. Y'all, this thing it be hurting. Like, to go in, it really be hurting. Let's see, is it gonna hurt? Probably so. Shit, I can't even find the hole. This shit be hurting. Literally, I wanna pop somebody in the damn face. It's not on 10 o'clock. This why I'm just like, let me go and start and get ready a little. Just a little. This should have been crispy. And last but not least, bingo. Okay, so y'all, I'm done putting all the jewelry in my ear. Oh, shit. No, I'm not. I forgot my gauges. I'm so sorry, y'all. Yeah, the gauges are always hard to get off. Like, always. Okay, so I'm finna oil it. It feels so weird without the jewelry in my ear. Like, damn. How this fall out? I'll put it back in. Let me oil this first. Now, these be so hard to put in because they so damn flimsy, like. But hopefully, see, I told you, like, damn. There we go. Best oil. Best oil for anything. Hair, nails, ears, any motherfucking thing. Literally. You can use this oil for anything. Like, what the fuck? Damn. I finally got this shit in. Like, why does it take so long? But yeah, that's the only gel I needed to change because the top ones is fine. Like, but this one not really. I'm gonna have to change the top because this kind of still look good. It does look good. So I'm gonna change. Damn. I'm gonna change this to gold. I mean to silver. I'm gonna change this to silver. But this should be good because you can't really see this one. And then my industrial is silver. So yeah, I'm gonna just need to change this one. And then we're gonna be good. But yeah. I'm about to get in the shower. I switched everything silver. Everything is silver, literally. But I'm about to get ready and get in the shower. Once I get out the shower, brush my teeth, wash my face. I'm gonna put my lashes on. Then I'm gonna get dressed. So, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm at the shower. Okay, so yeah, I'm using my little light thing right now so y'all can see me. Your girl still don't got on no clothes at the moment. Let me fix this. Hold on. Okay, but just got out the shower not too long ago. Just got done washing my face, brushing my teeth. Then I put the lash. Then I went on and put my lashes on. The only thing I gotta do now is style my hair and put on my clothes. So my cousin graduation starts at 2:30, which I already done told y'all. But we're gonna leave before 2. We're gonna leave around 1 something so we can get good parking spot and some good seats. And it's currently 11:31. So I'm gonna get dressed around 12 something. I'm probably gonna get dressed around 12 o'clock maybe. Because I still gotta do my hair. And then I'm wearing lipstick, so I gotta do that. Then I still gotta smoke and stuff. So yeah, at 12 o'clock, that's when I start putting on my clothes. That's probably when I start putting on my clothes and stuff. But I'm gonna just get back at y'all once the clothes is on because I'm still kind of drying off. And then I'm about to lotion my body. So yeah. So y'all, these are the 2 smells that I'm gonna be doing today. Forever Sunshine and then the Mimi in Miami with my deodorant, of course. So yeah, I'm finna go and get dressed and put my little clothes on, period. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do something to my hair. This is the fit so far, period. But I'm about to do something to my hair. I gotta go get the gel out of my sister's room because it's not up here. But I'm gonna try to style my hair. Yeah, some of my twists is unraveling. So I'm probably gonna make them braids if they don't like stay. Hold on, shit. I'm probably gonna make them braids if they don't stay twisted. Because my hair is just really too soft, is what it really is. I'm definitely taking pictures. Because I look like a baby bitch, so why not? Oh, I gotta redo it because this one just back and this one, it's uneven, baby. But y'all see the vision. On my side.
Rehabilitation or something small or whatever the case. If Stevie would have showed up for me. Girl, she was creeping with
Oh Lord, y'all, we finna take pictures. Ooh. Erin, come show them your feet. Y'all, her feet eats the fuck up. Period. Motherfucking period. So y'all, it's 1:50 and we're headed out to graduation. Yeah, but like when you see, she just Disney almost fell. Why is her stuff unzipped? Let's go, Piggy! Let's go, Piggy! Why she holding on to that girl? Why her stuff unzipped? That's probably why she about to fall. Let's go, Piggy! Destiny right there. She on the third line. With a fourth. The second to the last.
Administrative, staff, board of trustees, welcome you to our commencement ceremony.
I leave this world, I leave no regret.
We speak about the many academic accomplishments that you all have obtained.
Period.
It's great to be a patriot.
It's not great to be a patriot.
I bring you greetings from 2607 Raymond Road, an address in the heart of South Jackson, where the most beautiful learning institution sits. A place where we believe in exhibiting nothing less than our best, where the staff members try their best to live up to our mantra.
Lord, I'm out of breath. Let's go, guys. Yay.
As principal of the University of South Jackson Forest Hill High School, I certify that these scholars have met the requirements as prescribed by the Board of Trustees of the Jackson Public School District and the state of Mississippi, as hereby presented to you for the award of diplomas, certificates. With a class of 2024, please come forward to receive your diploma.
That's Destiny Row.
Destiny, yeah.
Let's go, Piggy! Let's go, Piggy! Period! Hello, Ed. Damn, my voice. Let's go! Destiny! All these people.
By the authority vested in us by the Board of Trustees of the Jackson Public School District, we attest that the certificates and the diplomas that have been presented to you indicate the satisfactory completion of your public school education. It is now our privilege to confer your diploma and extend all rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereunto. Congratulations to each of you. Graduates, you may now move your
Period. Congratulations. Woo! It is hot.
What time it is?
3:58. Really? I am so hungry. think she's just like calling and telling us two different things. There they go. Look at Sunny. Oh, she got her jacket, so that's good. Come on, Sunny. You got you some friends.
Yeah, late.
It's okay, Sunny. She wants something to drink. With his broke ass.
He posted on the wrong app. Why would he post on Facebook?
It's Peter. Hey guys, it is 10:01, so that's gonna be the end of this vlog because your girl is really tired. But I gotta get this video edited because I want to get that uploaded to y'all by tomorrow. I don't know if we're gonna do anything this weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday. If so, I'm a vlog. If not, then I'm not. But that's the end of this video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to the post notifications. Follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.